Hello, good night. I would like to discuss the difference between LPV voting system and first past the post voting system. I for one, I think that comparing the two systems, first past the post would be the best option and better than the LPV system. LPV system is like you're trying to choose three leaders at the same time, and you're not sure which is the leader, and you just make a choice in one, and then you take the second and the third choice, and you hit them one, and you try to find the leader. But in the first past the post system, you are really sure of who you're trying to choose to become the leader, and you make a straightforward voting on the leader. So that's the system that we are accustomed to before the LPV system come into play. The question is, why are we entertaining LPV system? And what is the reason for trying to find the three choices of finding a leader among the three choices, when we can just zoom in and say we only want one leader, and that's the first choice? So if I may have to put it to an angle, or I'll give you an example scenario. One of the scenario would be when you are playing a game of Oslo. I believe most of you understand the game called Oslo. Okay? So there's an Oslo oval, and at the end of the two Oslo oval, the field, you have three goalposts standing, or three posts for that matter. In the center goal mode, you have a goal score when you kick the ball into the center goal mount. And on the two outside side, on the right and on the left of the Oslo goal mount, is where you do the point scoring. So I believe 6 points on the left and the right side will give you one goal in the center of the Oslo goal field. Okay, if we look at the scenario and we put it back into LPV system, why is it that in LPV system you choose one and you choose one for all the trees, or you choose two and you choose third? The reason why I'm saying that is that one should have a different value to the second choice and the third choice. If one is chosen, then you need about 6 or 10 of the twos to create a one, the first choice. And then you need about 6 or 10 of the third to create the first choice, or 6 to 10 to create to become the first choice, and you will have about 10 to 20 to create a third choice. So you have the value of one, the first choice, equals to 10 second choice, and value of one, the first choice, is equals to 20 third choice. In that way, we have a value. So we can now apply LPV system. Currently, there is no value in place, or there is no demarcation factors to say that LPV system is a good system. Because 1 is just equal to 2 is equal to 3. So you are not differentiating of a leader here by having a first, second, or third choice. All of them are equal. First, second, third. So when you count all the ones, you go back and count all the twos, then you count all the threes. So realistically, this LPV system, I think it's a stupid foreign concept. I don't know why we're entertaining that system anyway. I'm more comfortable when we talk about the first past the post system. Or you decide on the first leader and the first choice. And that's the only answer. Because we don't find two leaders. We don't find three leaders. To create a leader, we only need one leader to become the leader. So I suggest and I strongly urge the Prime Minister, Mr. Marape, to please look seriously into this, maybe including all the parliamentarians, and let's change our system to first past the post. One leader, first choice. And that's it. We don't need three choices to create a leader. It's just one of the stupid concepts. Thank you and good night to you all. It's just an opinion from an observer. Bye.